The fastest way to write more blogs today is to stop writing them yourself. This might sound counterintuitive, but that's exactly how automation changes content creation. Instead of spending hours writing and publishing, you can turn a simple idea into a complete blog automatically and instantly. That's why I'm here, because through this video I will show you how to build a system where you just have to enter an idea inside your Google Sheet and AI generates and publishes the blogs for you. This will help you create content continuously without any manual effort. Let us first see how this will work in real life, then we will build it together. Okay, so you can see this is my Google Sheet where we have to add the title and short description. Instantly, with the help of these details, our AI will generate a blog for us, and instantly inside our Medium account, you can see this is my profile inside my Medium. Instantly a new blog will get posted here. Now first of all, we have to add this title and short description. You can see the first blog that I posted was about this future of AI. Now let us post a new blog about future of India. So in here I have added this title as future of India. Now inside this short description I will add this text: India as a country is growing rapidly. We are about to reach 5 trillion GDP. Now you can see we have successfully added this title and short description inside our Google Sheet. Next, what will happen? OpenAI will generate a blog post for ourselves. Then instantly that blog will get posted inside our Medium account. So let me just open my Medium. We just have to refresh this page from here. You can see here this new blog, the future of India, growth, innovation, and the road to a $5 trillion economy, is posted successfully inside my Medium page. You can see this is the detailed blog that I have posted on my Medium page by just adding the short title and short description inside my Google Sheet. So this was the demo of my workflow, which you can easily create inside Pabbly Connect. Now just like this, you can also create this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account so that you can also automate the process of your content creation and let Pabbly Connect handle your content while you just sit and relax. Now without any delay, let me help you create this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account. For that, at first you have to open a blank workflow where you can create a new workflow by integrating multiple applications. But if you are new here and you don't know how to come here, open a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where on the right corner you will get this option, sign up free. Click on this button and create your free account. By creating your free account, you will also get 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. With the help of this task, you can easily create some workflows inside your Pabbly Connect account and use them for free. But after that, to use the full potential of Pabbly Connect, you have to upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly, where you will get thousands of tasks every month so that you can run your workflows without even worrying about tasks. Now the best part here is right now we are running a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So make sure that you use my coupon code JAIYT that is visible right in front of you and purchase your yearly or lifetime subscription plans, because I don't want you to miss out on this once in a while opportunity. Purchase your subscription as soon as possible. But after that, click on the sign in button. You will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. From here we have to access Pabbly Connect. So click on this access now button. You will get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where on the right side you will get the button of create workflow. Click on this button. You will get directed on this page where you can start creating your workflow. Now let us start creating our workflow. First of all, for our workflow, we have to select our trigger application. This trigger application will be the event with the help of which we want our workflow to get triggered. For our workflow, we will select our trigger application as Google Sheet, because we want our workflow to get triggered whenever a new row will get added inside our Google Sheet. So to select our trigger application, we have to click on this plus button, then select this Google Sheet from here. For this application event, select this new or updated spreadsheet, press this connect button to create your connection. You will receive this webhook URL, copy this from here, open your Google Sheet. You can see this is the sheet that I want to connect to my Pabbly Connect account. So now in here, I will click on this extension, select this add-ons, and then on this get add-ons. Because here at first we have to install Pabbly Connect webhook inside our Google Sheet. Now inside the search box, we will search for this webhook. This Pabbly Connect webhook will be visible to you. Click over this and install this Pabbly Connect webhook inside our Google Sheet. After installing this, go back, click on this extension again, and if this Pabbly Connect webhook is not visible to you, just refresh your sheet, then this Pabbly Connect webhook will be visible to you. In here, click on this initial setup, Then inside this webhook URL box, you have to paste your webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. Inside this trigger column, you have to add the last column of your Google Sheet where data is added. In my case, that column is B. That's why in here I will add this capital B. Now after adding these details, to send a test to our Pabbly Connect account, we have to click on this send test button. Instantly, the data that is added on the first row of my Google Sheet will get sent to our Pabbly Connect account. Here it is sent successfully. Now we just have to submit our configuration. After submitting your configuration, make sure that you go back again on this extension inside this Pabbly Connect webhook, click on this send on event. After this, instantly whenever you will add a new row, that particular detail will automatically get sent to your Pabbly Connect account without your manual interference. Now let us go back inside our Pabbly Connect. You can see we have successfully received all the response that was added on the first row of my Google Sheet. This means that my trigger step Google Sheet is working all fine. Now we have to work on our action application. For my first action application, as I want to take help of OpenAI to generate a blog post content for myself. That's why I will click on this plus button. Then here I will search for this OpenAI because I want to select this as my first action application. I will select this application. For this application event, as I want to take help of ChatGPT, that's why I will select this. Then to create a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, I will press this connect button. Now to create your connection, you will get two options: add new connection, select existing connection. If you have already established a connection, you can go with that. But to create a new connection, select this add new connection. Inside this box, you have to add a token. This token is like the password of your OpenAI account. So to get this password, at first you have to purchase the paid subscription of OpenAI. So purchase your subscription, then click on this OpenAI API keys page. You will get directed on this OpenAI platform. In here on the right side, we have this create new secret key button. We have to click on this, give a name to your key, then press this create secret key button. Instantly, your secret key will generated. You have to copy this from here, go back in Pabbly Connect, paste the key and press this save button. Your connection will get created successfully. After creating the connection, you have to select the AI model and provide the prompt with the help of which our OpenAI will generate a blog post for ourselves. First of all, for this model, as I want to select GPT 5.4, that's why I will search for it, then I will select it. You can also select any model as per your preference. Then we have to add this prompt. So inside this prompt, we have to provide the detail like what and how we want to generate content from this AI. So inside this prompt, I will add my own prompt. I have added my prompt. In here you can see in front of this title and description, we will map the title and description that we have received from our Google Sheet. By mapping these details will become dynamic. It means that whenever we will add a new row inside our Google Sheet, automatically Pabbly Connect, because we have mapped our data here, Pabbly Connect will instantly change the old added data with a new added data of title and description. This means that to allow Pabbly Connect to change our data automatically, we take help of mapping. To map data, we have to press the slash button, then we have to search for the value that we want to map. Here the title is visible, so I just have to click over this. You can see it is mapped successfully. For this description also, I will search for the description, then I will also select this. You can see this description is also mapped. Next, inside this prompt, I have added this instruction: write 800 to 1200 words, use engaging tone, use headings and formatting, return response in this JSON format only. You can see this is the prompt that I have provided my AI to generate a blog article for me. Now I just have to press this save and send test request button. Instantly you will see that this OpenAI will generate a blog content for me. Inside our response, we have successfully got the title and content of the content that we want to post inside our Medium account. Now you can see we have received our content. This means that my first action application OpenAI is working all fine. Now we have to work on our last step. For that, we have to click on this plus button. Then as we want to post our content inside Medium, so I will search for Medium. But if you want to post your content anywhere else, you can also select that application by searching it inside the search box. Search for your application, select it. Then for this application event, I want to create a post, that's why I will select this create post. Now we have to create a connection, so press this connect button. Then to create a new connection, select this first option. For your existing connection, you can select this second option. I will select this first option. Then inside this box, we have to add a token. To get this token, you just have to click on this hyperlink available here. I will click on this. Inside this settings page, at bottom we have this integration token. We have to click on this. Here these are our tokens. So I will just copy my token from here. Then I will go back, paste my token inside this box, press this save button. You can see my connection is created successfully. Now we just have to fill up the details in here to successfully create a post inside our Medium page. First of all, for this user author, I will select this Admia Roy. Then for this title, I will map this title that we have received from our OpenAI application. So this is the title, so I have to click over this and it is mapped. For this format, I will select this HTML. Inside this post content, I will again map the content that OpenAI has given us. So this is our content. I just have to click over this and it is also mapped. Now for this canonical URL, I will skip them. Then if you want, you can also add some tags. So in here, let me just add this tags AI. I have added these 3 different tags: AI, future, and technology. Then from this publish status, you can select the status of your post. I will select it as published. Then after adding these details, we have to press this save and send test request button. Instantly, a post will get created inside our Medium account. Let us go back, open back our profile, refresh this page. Here, this new blog about the future of AI is posted successfully inside my Medium account. So this means that the workflow that we have created here is working all fine. Now you can go and create this workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account. With the help of this workflow, you can completely automate the process of content creation and posting them as a blog post. So that's it for now. If you want to use my workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use it from there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. You can ask your doubts anytime in the comment box also. My team will help you instantly. Just a quick reminder at end, don't forget to use my coupon code JAIYT while purchasing your subscription so that you can avail a special discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.